In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Taobao with credit card, 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move from browsing to a completed purchase using a credit card through Alipay with tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by heading to taobao.com and logging into your account. You can do this on a desktop browser or mobile browser. If the interface appears in Chinese, most modern browsers offer translation tools you can toggle on for clarity. Make sure you're signed in before you shop so your cart and checkout details sync properly. Next, add the items you want to your cart. Take a moment to check product variations like size, color, or model, and look over seller ratings and estimated shipping timelines so there are no surprises later. When you're ready, open your cart and review your selections for accuracy. Click Checkout to move to the payment flow. This page is where you'll see your items consolidated along with any shipping charges, discounts, or taxes. Give the order summary a quick review to confirm quantities and the final total. Everything that follows hinges on this screen being correct. When prompted for payment, choose Alipay. On Taobao, Alipay acts as the secure payment gateway, even if you plan to pay with a credit card. It's normal to be redirected to an Alipay page or pop-up. That's part of the standard checkout process. Inside the Alipay payment options, select credit card. You should see support for major card networks like Visa and MasterCard, and in many cases, international cards are accepted. Keep in mind that your bank may charge a foreign transaction fee, and the final amount might reflect currency conversion based on your bank's rate. Enter your card details carefully. Type the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as they appear on your card, and ensure the billing name and address match what your bank has on file. If you see an option to save your card, choose it only if you're on a private, trusted device. Double-check the currency and total amount before proceeding. Finally, confirm payment. At this stage, your bank may ask for a one-time code or biometric approval for added security. Complete that verification promptly. Wait for the confirmation message or order success screen to appear. Don't refresh or click back while the payment is processing. You should then see your order marked as paid in your Taobao account, along with an order number you can reference for tracking. If a payment doesn't go through, it's often due to international